So today I'm going to be showing you how to claim your YoungParrot NFT. You come to your MetaMask and then you input this address in your browser, app.youngparrotnft.com, app.youngparrotnft.com, and then you hit enter. Okay, it might be confusing. Okay, so don't confuse yourself. There's a lot of information on this site. What you are focusing on is the Core launchpad NFT, and as you can see, there's unique gecko here. You're not interested in that. There's game of Bitcoin. You're not interested in that. What you're looking for is the launchpad for Core. So you click on these three lines here. Okay, come to launchpads. Okay, and then go to view. Okay, when you click on view opens. Okay, so if you want to become a YoungParrot member, you click here. Okay, that gives you some discounts, but I'm not doing that for now. This is Core. Okay, this is the Core DAO origin NFT, and you can see here 30,000 minted, 43%. Okay, and then you'll be asked to connect your wallet, whether you're using MetaMask or Wallet Connect. I'm using MetaMask, so I select MetaMask, and it says app.youngparrotnft.com, holding the Core origin NFT will prove forever that the owner has been a believer since the earliest days of Core. So it's just going to show that you have been a believer since the earliest days of Core. You can see main price is 00, member price is 00, whitelist price is 00, and 10k NFT for phase 3. Just click on minting now. Okay, you don't have anything to pay. You don't have anything to pay. So here you can see more details. So here you can see this is free and accessible to everyone. Out of 70,000, 30,000 already minted. So you need to mint as soon as possible. So as you can see, you can see this information here because I'm minting on day 3, and here you cannot increase the quantity. Okay, so you just click mint 1. You must have connected. You see NFT of current phase is sold out. You can see if at any point it says connect your MetaMask wallet, okay, it's sold out. Please wait for next phase. So you need to wait till the next phase. The next phase says this ends in 17 hours 18 minutes. So you need to set your alarm. Okay, you need to set your timer so that as this one is ending, you are coming here day 4 or any day that you are ready, okay, to mint. And then you come to day 4, and as soon as this time runs out, okay, this time is here, you can see it's counting down. So I'm going to set my alarm now to 17 hours 18 minutes 34 seconds. Okay, and as soon as that time runs out, I'm going to quickly rush down to app.youngparrotnft.com and come here to this page and quickly come and mint here. Okay, so that's it. Now try to understand, on day 1 10k NFT for phase 1, on day 2 10k NFT, that's 20k, 10k for 30, 40, 50, 60, and day 7 70k, and that's the total of 70k that we're talking about here. And because day 3 has ended, you can see it's done 30k already. So you need to keep trying, don't give up. Okay, keep trying, don't give up. All right, so that's it. If this video has been helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Also share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.